Hello, Mrs. KJ here. I am going to go over stopdisastersgame.org. We're going to hit play game, and this video is going to explain how to do the hurricane. So I'm just going to click on easy. You have your choice if you want to try easy, medium, or hard. Hello, this Caribbean town is a thriving community with a population of 180 people who rely mainly on fishing and tourism for their livelihoods. You have to protect as many people, building, and livelihoods as you can against a possible hurricane. Your challenge is to provide accommodations for 330 people, build one hospital and one school. You must also anchor the boats in the port to prepare them for strong winds. I'm going to pause here because in your notes, these are the items you can write down for your objectives, for your missions. Think about what you can do to protect people and their property against hurricanes. You have a choice of different housing, and many upgrades and defenses are also available. Choose the best options and save as many people as you can afford. Okay, so again, we can click on your person. Your person might be different than mine, and that's okay. Remember, you're getting graded on the fact that you have at least 8 key facts, and you have your missions, your housing goal, you built a school, you built a hospital, and you protected the seaport. You are also being graded on that you used almost all your money. So you need to have less than $10,000 remaining. I always like to click on the show risk. So I can find some areas that are decent to build. And again, with your houses that are already there, you can always choose to upgrade. Ew, sewer backflow, that means all the stuff down your toilet. Yeah, I don't want that coming back in my house. Gross. Secure the roof, probably important, or roof, if you say it that way. Put on some storm shutters, maybe raise up my heating and electric. Oh, so that, yeah, the water doesn't take it out. Okay. Or maybe I decide that, you know what, it's not even worth having that. I'm just going to take it out and build something else. All right. Oh, you have your community center. Remember, it's important to upgrade different places like that. Oh, only one upgrade for this one. Okay. You can do things, let's see, can we do things in the ocean? Oh, I can build some revetments to help protect. Very expensive to build something in the ocean. Okay, maybe I want to wait till the end on that one. I need to do something with the boats, right? Okay, so seaport. Looks like we got to upgrade those. Okay. So again, as you click through things, you're going to get your different key facts. You can talk, mentions older buildings really aren't that good. You can read through them. Breakwaters and seawalls can be important. Hurricane winds are extremely powerful, blow down signs, branches. The risk map, upgrading your buildings. Yeah, so you can go ahead and read through those if you'd like to. Once you have everything done, and again, for everything, meaning you met your housing goal, you built a school, you built a hospital, you protected the seaport, you have less than $10,000 remaining, and you have at least 8 key facts, then you can do your disaster. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do very well because I barely spent any money and I didn't do any of my missions and really didn't do much to help them. All right, so this is the important part of how you're graded. Click View Report. Do a screenshot. Make sure you have the words disaster hurricane in your screenshot. This is how you're going to get graded. Okay, you have your missions done. You have your key facts. You have less than $10,000 remaining. Make sure you save this screenshot before you hit continue. Otherwise, I don't think you can get back to it. If you have any questions, let your teacher know.